What is up, y'all? I'm Jammin' Outdoors, and this is my channel. Welcome back. So I'm sorry I haven't been posting much. I've had a lot going on. I'm currently in the middle of getting eye surgery. I got one done a few weeks ago. This one's to do in a few weeks. It's a little bit different than LASIK. It's PRK, so they have to do one at a time. But so far, this one is great vision, so I'm happy. That one is just limiting my work a little bit because I can't weld because the ultraviolet light can affect my eyes. So that would really suck to pay $5 and not be able to see after my surgery because I welded. But anyway, that's happening. But also my truck started messing up on me like 2 weeks ago. And I helped somebody on the side of the road, floored it to get back on, and it started shifting bad. And I think it was mainly because lack of maintenance, which I was pretty frustrated about that. But it didn't completely go out on me until this bike snapped a chain. Didn't damage anything, but I had to pick the bike up with the truck. Transmission went out on me as I was picking it up. So it was really, really frustrating. I was down 2 of 3 vehicles. Ended up getting to work on the green CBR because that's old reliable. But it's a week later, I got this CBR back on the road, and I did a fluid flush on my truck, and the transmission's shifting again. But a lot of stuff's been going on. That's just the top of the iceberg. So anyway, here's the video of everything that transpired, and I hope to get back to rebuilding here soon. Again, thanks for watching. Oh, wow, they're still going, okay.
I turned, and my fucking serpentine belt broke.
Oof, that sucks.
Well, yeah, at least I made it from Greenfield to here. So. Should be able to close it. Appreciate it, buddy.
Yeah, good luck. Looks hella sexy. Take it easy. Good luck on it. Oh. Crap. Are you freaking kidding me? Got my stupid chain going to fun bikes, so I'm missing my master link. I'm gonna carry an extra master link from now on. That's something I didn't realize I probably needed to keep in stock. So, fun bikes couldn't help me. So I got my girl coming to pick me up, try to get my truck to go to work. This is frustrating. I will say one thing, at least it didn't break my case or nothing. All I gotta do is put the chain back on, and that's it. But it's still frustrating. I'm supposed to be work in 1 minute, and I'm an hour away. So now I'm in my truck that I haven't drove in a few days, mainly because I had a weird sound come from the transmission. And it was like a supercharger whine. It was really, really weird. So I stopped driving it to try to figure out what it was. I replaced the differential fluid. I haven't replaced the transmission fluid yet, but I'm going to do that because I purchased it a few days ago. And so I'm going to drive my truck to go get my bike that's broke down, and hopefully my truck doesn't break down on the way to Orlando to work. This is just really interesting. I legit when this thing started happening to me, I literally stopped to help somebody on the highway on I-4 on the way home from work. They had a pop tire. I repaired their tire, put it back on. Their car actually fell off the jack, and so I helped them put it back up on the jack, repair the tire, and then basically get them ready to go. And so I got them ready to go. Anyway, I got to figure that problem out. And that was right after I helped somebody, this happened. And then today I helped push somebody's car out of the road because they had a serpentine belt break. And then 1 minute later, my chain pops. It's like, this is like reverse karma. It doesn't make any sense. Over here to the left, that was being pushed by a dude. Helped him push back up in there. And then I came down the road, like less than a mile later, mile and a half later, my chain pops. Stupid chain, thing popping off on me. Okay, great, look at this. Pop it into reverse. Nothing's spinning. Okay, well, it was hell backing up. Let's see. Probably going left, that'd probably be easier. Good Lord. It's just jerking, just stuttering, and it's basically like limp mode, I guess. Oh man, this is bad. Literally, I'm going 10 miles an hour, my foot just to the floor. So I just limped to this area. I finally got here. That was a little bit closer to the shop, but now it won't go at all. It was really struggling, and now it just won't go at all. And it just shifts through all the gears on its own, basically, which is weird. But then I came back and looked. My bike fell over, my handlebars got tilted, and I got a dent in my freaking tailgate now, on top of my transmission going out and my chain snapping. So today was just a really, really crappy day. Now I gotta get the Cummins to pull me. Super frustrating. Forgot my freaking chain. So anyway, that's gonna be it. I actually got to work no problem, 2 hours late. Thankfully I had Old Reliable with me, So I was able to get there, no problem. It's a little frustrating, but you know, most people don't even have an extra vehicle to drive. So I was very lucky to have 3. I am beyond blessed. Anyway, till next time, y'all take it easy, and hopefully I can get back to rebuilding here soon.